Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off vibration of PS5 controller. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First you go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Under settings, select accessibility. Under accessibility, select controllers. Then go down. Select vibration intensity. Select it. Here we can see 4 options: strong, medium, weak, off. By default this would be strong, so I am going to turn off this vibration. Select off. Done. So this way we can turn off vibration of this PS5 controller. If you want to turn off trigger effect, select trigger effect. Here also we can select off. So this way we can turn off vibration and trigger effect of PS5 controller. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.